Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to remove viruses from Windows 11 or 10 computer or laptop. This will delete all your viruses from Windows 11 or 10 PC. So the first step I recommend you doing is coming down to the search box here and searching out for Windows Security. It should become best match here at the very top. You can also find this by pressing the little upward arrow here, show hidden icons on the taskbar. You should see this shield, and we can open that by pressing it. That's two ways of getting to it. Then you want to select virus and threat protection here. Now here you can do a quick scan. However, if you think you've got a virus, I recommend you selecting scan options. Then selecting full scan. This will check all the files and running programs on your hard disk. This scan could take longer than 1 hour. Once you've selected full scan, select scan now. This will run in the background, so you can minute this, but if you do think you have a virus, I recommend not running anything at the moment. The next steps you can take is by right clicking on the start menu, selecting run. Now there's two folders here, not every PC has them both. You can select percentage, temp, percentage. Then press enter. Now select any of the folders. Then hold down Ctrl and A. This should select all the folders and we can press delete here. This will delete all the temporary folders. Some won't be deleted, however, don't worry about it, just select skip. All these are just temporary folders, it'll have no ill effects on your PC performance. It's just that some hidden viruses can be hiding in here. So that's one folder. Bring up the run again and take the percentages off. Press enter. Now my PC doesn't have a temp folder like that, it just has the one with percentage on. If yours does, select all the folders and delete them. Now the next step is to bring up the run command again. This time we want to select clean mgr. You see it here. Then again let's press OK or enter. Now if you have multiple drives you'll need to do each one individually, so I'll start off with C, press OK. Then you want to select all these files here. It's OK, they're all temporary files, and this will clear off 2.87 GB. Press OK and it'll delete everything in these temporary files. I won't do it at the moment. Now if you have another hard drive, go back into that, clear the second hard drive, exactly how we've just done it. So that's a couple of different ways how to remove viruses from Windows 11 or 10 computer or laptop. The best one is the scan option. Let us know in the comments below if this has helped you out. If it has, don't forget as well, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and most importantly, thanks ever so much for watching.